Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your recently played songs on Spotify. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the Spotify app. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Look for the social section by scrolling down. Toggle private session on. Disable listening activity and disable recently played artists by tapping the switch. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.